This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to display the word counter on Google Docs. So I'm right here on Google Docs, just in a untitled document. Right here, I've got some demo text I found online, just for the purposes of this video. So how do we bring up the word count? Very simple. We'll come up to the very top to tools. We'll click on tools, and the second one down, normally it is word count. We click on word count and we can see the current word counts. We can see the number of pages, the number of words, the number of characters, and the number of characters excluding spaces right here. Now, if you want to actually bring up this word count while you're typing, we can actually select this box right here and we click on OK, and you will see in the bottom left, you can see the number of words. So if we started to add new words, you can see that the word count will change right there. And when you click on it, you can see the breakdown, the number of pages, words, characters, and characters excluding spaces. So again, that is tools, word count. You can see it on screen. If you want to keep it down below, then you will check this box and you can see the word counter there. That was how to get the word counter showing on Google Docs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just